Hi guys, Monica here. I just wanted to do this very quick video of the deal was gonna start at CVS on December the 30th. And the reason why I'm doing this video so early is because if you ever found this TheraPad coupon, which is buy one get one free Sobe water, it expires on December 31st. So if you do have this coupon, you're probably trying to find, if not free, a good deal to use them so it doesn't expire and doesn't go to waste. Now, the way this transaction would work, it actually becomes almost $8, no, almost $9 moneymaker on the Sobe waters. Here's what it look like. This coupon's max value, it's $1.89, and at CVS it auto deducts the max value for it. So if your CVS or if your cashier allows for the coupon to be auto deducted the max value, it would look like that. You get 30 bottles of Sobe water, which is $30 in product. Use 15 BOGO TheraPad coupons, and you can use this many because the coupon does not have any restrictions of how many you can use. It deducts the max value of $1.89. So 15 coupons times $1.89 equals $28.35 in coupons. Now the total value of the items was $30 minus $28.35 in coupons equals $1.65 out of pocket for 30 bottles of Sobe water, which is an amazing deal on its own. And plus you get a $10 ECB for spending $30, essentially making it $8.35 moneymaker. So if you do have these coupons, hold on to them. If you're trying to find them, I found them at the Hess gas station, and I found some a long time ago, probably 3 or 4 months ago. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning. 3 or 4 months ago at Wawa, not Wawa, Rite Aid, but that's been the only Rite Aid I was able to ever see them. So Hess gas station has them, or at least mine has. Thank you for watching. Send me a message or comment below if you have any questions. Bye.